Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sync files offline in OneDrive. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, if you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. But now, let's simply look at how to sync offline files in OneDrive. To do that, what you guys have to do is simply scroll right over to the bottom right corner of the screen. Right next to photos, where you will find all your photos, you will see a button like this that is called as Me. Click on it right now. Then you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see, there are a few options right here, from files available offline to simply signing out. Right now, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. Click on the button right here that is just below notifications. Once you're in the settings page, as you can see, once again lots and lots of options. But right now, what we want to do is simply change how to sync files offline in OneDrive. I'm just gonna scroll right back down. And as you can see, under this network tab, you can see something like sync offline files. Currently, it's on over Wi-Fi only. Click on it right now. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you two options, sync over Wi-Fi only or over Wi-Fi and mobile network. Well, it's up to you. Simply select whatever you wish. And guys, that is it. That's how we change how to sync offline files in OneDrive. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.